Alright, I'm doing a research project on bedside shift reporting for NUR 213, a med-surg course. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Lord Halifax website. And then I'm going to go to the library tab. And then I'm going to find articles. And I'm going to use a nursing database to find my information. I'm going to put my information up here. And then I'm going to narrow down my search options to full text so I have the full text available. I'm also going to use a peer-reviewed option, and then I'm also going to choose the year because I want my sources to be within the last 5 years. And then after I make sure that I have everything selected that I want, I will hit search. Then I will scroll down and look to see if there's something that is relative to my topic, and I'm not seeing anything that's relative, so I'll go to a different search. Going to try erasing this here. Shift. Side report. Right. So this first link is an academic journal, and it has the PDF full text, so I'm going to click on it. And this is a case study that's been done, so it probably has some good information in here and reports. So I will go to the PDF full text to pull it up. And I'm going to look and see if we have what the research is about. And there is a case that they did. They chose Alright. So then they chose subjects for this, and for this subject, I'm going to look and see if there was a specific hospital that was used for this. And automatically, right off the bat, I can see that in this article they have in-text citations from other sources, so that automatically tells me that research was done and their references are credible. And the big thing with this article is it talks about the positives and negatives of implementing this into practice and what they should do, and how I'm going to save this article. I'm going to go back. What I usually do is I go back to the article here, and then I usually just click the Cite button. I'm going to choose APA, because that's what we write our papers in, I'm going to just copy here, and I'll just go save it into a Word document. Save it into a Word document so that way I make sure I don't lose my sources. But of course, I'll go back and edit these whenever it's into my final paper. Alright, and then to do other searches, there's other databases that I like to use. I can either Google what I'm looking for. I'll go in to reporting, and then to make sure I get credible sources, I want to do evidence-based practice because that gives me all of the information that I need, and they use subjects to test this information out. So I'm going to click on this because I'm going to check it on it because it's a .gov, and there's an article already that I can see. And then, so this is kind of the same thing with the last one. I'm going to look and see if it has the information I'm looking for to support my topic. And this already has some tables in here that has supporting evidence. It has the variables, relationships, and benefits. So this is all good information I could use in my topic. And then I'm also going to save this link the same way. I'm going to go up here and just copy and then paste into the article. And then that's pretty much it, how I do my research. I find all of the articles and supporting articles that I need to support my arguments. And then, of course, I